In a lush, magical kingdom where animals could talk, lived Princess Leona, graceful lioness, whose beauty was only rivaled by her compassion. Though her golden fur shimmered like the sun, it was her heart that truly glowed. Here are 15 hidden and surprising facts about Princess Leona that will leave you in awe of her kindness and connection to the animal world. Leona could communicate with every species. Unlike others, she didn't just speak, she understood every nuance of an animal's emotions, bridging gaps between prey and predator. Her crown was enchanted with moonstone. It allowed her to summon light during dark times, not for battle, but to guide the lost. She saved an endangered phoenix. By protecting the rare firebird, she ensured balance in the ecosystem of her kingdom. Leona's lullabies calmed storms. Her voice was said to soothe the winds and waves, saving countless lives. She planted the first tree of eternity. This magical tree bore fruits that healed both physical wounds and broken hearts. Her royal decree banned hunting for sport. Instead, she created wildlife sanctuaries where harmony thrived. Leona taught predators compassion. By sharing food with herbivores during harsh winters, she inspired unity across species. Her palace was made from eco-friendly materials. The design, by birds and beavers, preserved the forest's natural beauty. The river sang when she bathed. Her presence in water emitted vibrations that brought life to aquatic creatures. Leona saved a dying starfish. By reuniting it with its family, she revived the ocean's magic. A shy elephant composed a song for her. It's now the anthem of the animal kingdom, symbolizing peace. She had a mysterious ability to grow rare flowers. These blossoms emitted fragrances that cured sadness. Leona celebrated a festival of coexistence. This annual event united all species in dance, feasting, and storytelling. Her shadow shielded small animals. Even her silhouette provided comfort to those in danger. Leona chose love over power. When faced with a chance to conquer other lands, she instead spread her philosophy of kindness and shared her resources.